Hi, can you guys see me? Do I need to, let's bring this down. Is that better? Okay, let's start over. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this one is going to be a really quick video because I have found it. And I normally don't classify my hair types, but I went and got my hair classified in a couple of different ones. So all my 3B, 3C, and 4A ladies, yeah, apparently I have 3 different curl patterns. I found one product, not a couple, not a different. I found one product that you put in your hair to give you the best defined twist out. I call it the Lazy Girls Wash and Go. One product. I'm so excited. Yes, I got the liter version because it is so good. It's the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. Guys, that's all I'm saying. Just try it. You can get the smaller version. They got it at Target, or you can just invest in a small, big version. I've had this for it's March. I've had it for the beginning of the year, so we're about right here. So, and you don't have to use that much. That's another thing. It's like you don't even have to use that much product to get a defined wash and go. So I'm gonna stop talking because when I start talking, I ramble and then I talk too fast, and y'all probably fast forward anyway. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let you guys see the video to show you how defined this wash and go is. So stay tuned.